How to log in Make.com website. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can sign into your existing Make.com account. So let's get started. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in Make.com in the URL box and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Make, from where you need to click the sign in button at the top right corner to sign into your existing account. You'll end up in this sign in page on the left. Go ahead and enter your email address and then your password in the respective field if you've previously used the sign up option using email. If you previously created an account with Google, SSO or other options, go ahead and select the same here. Since I created an account with email, I'm going to type in my email address at the top followed by the password. After typing down the email, type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset instructions. Finally, after filling in the details, click Sign In, and then you have successfully logged into your Make.com account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.